Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. This is all about ideas, signing in. And guys, I am going to share with you a most stunning, pretty, and very unique crochet sewing decoration ideas. These are very pretty and very unique ideas for you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. And if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are super incredible and very pretty and very amazing ideas of crochet sewing decor. You guys make these ideas at home very easily. And if you don't know about how to make these type of crochet sewing ideas, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos about it, and you also watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of ideas at home very easily. Hope so guys you enjoyed this video and you like this video. If you like this video, then click the like button and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are super incredible and very pretty and very amazing crochet sewing ideas for you guys. So remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. Always take care guys. Always be happy. Be happy. Allah Hafiz guys.